Hey everyone, if you're looking to clean up your contacts on your iPhone, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to delete contacts quickly and easily on your iOS. Let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and open the Contacts app. Or you can go to the phone app and tap on the contacts at the bottom. Now scroll through your contacts and find the one that you want to delete. Once you find that contact, tap on it and open the details. Next, tap on Edit on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see a red button that says Delete Contact. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure that you want to delete this contact. Tap Delete Contact and again to confirm. And just like that, the contact is gone. It's that simple to delete contacts on your iPhone. Quick, right? If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more iPhone tips. See you next time.